Hi, my name is Anna. Thank you so much for joining me to learn about setting up your workstation. And how many of you work at a computer all day and you want to learn how to set it up so you're most comfortable? And how many of you are starting to have some discomfort and maybe some pain even, and you want to learn how to deal with that? Okay, so I'm sharing with you some of the things from my experience, and if you need any professional advice, I recommend that you get that. And I'm going to start with looking at what is neutral position, because one part is having the correct equipment and the other part is how we use it. So we're going to start looking at first what is neutral position. And I'd like you to start by just sticking one of your arms out, just like that. And you can imagine if you held your arm up like that 40 hours a week, how it could start to cause some issues. It would start in this muscle here, and then go to your neck, and then down your back, and then it would eventually move over to the other side. And you can put your arm down now. And really, workstation ergonomics is very much about keeping your body in a neutral position so your muscles do the least amount of work possible. When we go to the gym and we work out, we probably want to do the most amount of work possible. But really at work, where it's 40 hours a week or even more, you really want to have your muscles do as little work as possible. So now I'd like to start with your head. So I know that by the end of the day, this is how I look at my desk. Okay, honestly, about an hour in. Okay, I'll turn to the side so you can see what that looks like. And you can imagine that with your head being quite heavy, that actually causes a lot of force and strain on your neck and your shoulders and your back to hold your head in that position. So how we get into the neutral position is bringing some awareness. So we're going to start with bringing our left ear to our left shoulder gently. This is not a stretch, but just to notice where center is. And now we're going to bring our right ear to our right shoulder. And you want to just stop at the middle. Next, you can go back a little bit and forward a little and stop at the center. So now your head is centered. Next, you can have a nice gentle inhale through your nose and shrug your shoulders up gently. When you exhale, just drop your shoulders, and now your shoulders are in a neutral position. And I want you to notice where your elbows are in relation to the side of your body. They're right beside your body. I'll turn to the side so you can see what that looks like when your elbow is just straight down from where your shoulder is. And I also want you to notice the position of your wrist, because this is what neutral position looks like. And when we're working at our computer, maybe typing on a keyboard or writing, what you want to do is you want to raise your hands up to a 90-degree angle, bending at the elbows, and I'll turn to the side so you can see what that looks like. And this is your neutral position. And when you're sitting, what you really want is when you're sitting down, you want your bend at your waist and your feet and your knees to be at about 90 degrees, and your back can be a slightly bigger angle than 90 degrees. You'll see what's most comfortable for you. And you really want to sit right back into the back of your chair. However, that will be another session in our series, learning about setting up a chair. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.